So last
Sir,
we
about
had
inertial and non-inertial frame of reference.
Frame of
About-
reference.
Frame of reference, right? No? So what is frame of reference?
So it is a coordinate system relative to which the position and motion of a body may be described.
And last class I have discussed about phase space. What is it? Phase space क्या होता है?
So the sixth order, dimension.
Yes.
Sir, in which all 6 coordinates coexist.
6 coordinate means like
3 of momentum and 3 of position.
Position coordinates as well as momentum coordinate. है ना? It is a combination of position. मतलब is a combination of 2 space. That is, first is the position space and the second is the momentum space. And अगर उसको हमारा ये अगर combination है तो that will be the 6th dimension. Okay, 3 dimension of the position space and other 3 dimension of the momentum space. So the combined space is 6 dimension. And what is the inertial frame and non-inertial frame? What are the basic differences?
Sir,
In inertial frame, Newton law of motion is followed, and in non-inertial frame, Newton law of motion is not followed.
Okay. Means if in inertial frame, if the force is 0, so which physical quantity is 0?
acceleration.
Acceleration.
And what about in non-inertial frame?
Sir, acceleration is not 0 when force is 0.
So moving forward to the next topic, that is review of Newton's law. I think in your syllabus is mentioned that review of Newton's law, Newton's laws of motion. I think the Newton's laws of motion you have already studied in the previous classes. Yeah? I think in class 9, 10 onwards you have been studied Newton's law. So who discovered the Newton's? I think this is the laws of motion.
Sir Isaac Newton.
Sir Isaac Newton. In which century? In which year?
16th century. Probably about 16th.
1666.
Okay. So what is it? Like first laws of motion क्या है?
A body in rest wants to be in rest and a body in motion wants to be in motion unless and until compelled by an external force.
Okay. And it is like ये किसको define करता है? किस
Inertia.
Inertia. Moment. Law of inertia. And what about the next law?
Sir, the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the force applied.
Rate of change of momentum is
Proportional to the force applied.
And takes place in the direction of force applied.
in the direction of force applied. So the momentum किस चीज पर डिपेंड करता है? Like in which quantity?
Mass and velocity.
Sir, mass and velocity.
Mass and velocity, right. तो अगर हम इसको डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं मास एंड वेलोसिटी इन मोमेंटम को, तो हमारे पास क्या बचेगा?
Sir, mass into acceleration.
अच्छा, मोमेंटम को डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो क्या होगा? फोर्स इज इक्वल्स टू m into a. m चेंज क्यों नहीं हुआ? m क्या है?
Constant.
Constant. This is all about the Newton second law. And what about the third law?
Every action has an equal and opposite reaction.
Every action has its equal and opposite reaction.
Sir, forces occurs in pair. Forces occur in pair.
I'm not getting it. आपका आवाज बहुत धीरे धीरे आ रहा है.
Sir, forces occur in pairs.
Forces occurs in
Pair.
okay. Pairs. What is it? Forces occur in pairs is what?
Sir, it was about Newton's third law.
Newton's third law. Okay, this is one short of definition. Huh? So, this you have already studied in the previous classes. So, I am just give a short presentation about this. Okay, just look at it because this you have already studied in the previous classes. So, let me share. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, I think in the 1600th century, near about 1660, the Sir Isaac Newton has described the three laws of motion. Okay, and it is related to the force to the motion. Okay, and as we know, heavily defined force. Because it's completely related to the force and the motion. So, heavily defined force.
Sir, force
Sir, a push
is
or
a
pull.
physical quantity which change or to change the a state of rest or motion of a body. Sir, push or pull action is called force.
So, like basically, what is the relation of the force and the motion?
The force is the cause of motion.
Exactly. And it could be in reverse form. Reverse भी हो सकता है. मतलब if somebody is in motion, so if you apply the force to disturb his motion, is it so?
Yes.
So it is like a force can cause the motion and it can resist the motion also. Okay. So I have described the three definitions here: the frictions, inertia, and mass. Okay, these are the well familiar terms to you. Okay. And the friction is what? It is like a force which opposes the motion between the two objects that are in coinciding or touching. Okay. And inertia is what? Inertia in last class we have dealing some various example of inertia. Okay. Give some example of inertia. What is it?
Sir, it resists a change in the state of our body. Like the example, we are traveling in a bus and it stops suddenly, then we are jerked forward.
Right. What else? What are the another examples of this inertia?
Fan, sir, fan. Sir, when we take turn in a circular path, then our body tends to move in radially outward direction due to inertia.
Right. So this is some like basic fundamental definition you should keep in mind. What is friction, inertia, and the mass? Okay. And what are the difference between the weight and the mass?
So weight is a force, but mass is the quantity of matter present in a body.
Huh?
Sir, weight also
So
involves gravitation.
weight is the force, but mass is the quantity of matter present in a body.
Sir, weight is variable quantity and mass is constant.
Weight is a variable quantity and mass is constant. So which one is vary? Suppose my weight, suppose like my weight is about 50 kg. Okay, and suppose we go to the moon. So is it vary?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How much?
160.
Sir, 1/6.
1/6.
Huh?
So by
It will
1/6.
decrease by 1/6, sir.
Okay. So you are all familiar with this term, right? Okay. So right, this is the Newton, the first laws of motion.
8.3 kg.
You all know that. What is it? If the body is at rest, and it will remain at rest until and unless external force will be applied on it. Okay. In similar manner, when the body it is in motion, and it will be in motion until and unless the external force is disturbed on it. Okay. So this is also known as the law of inertia. Okay. These are the certain example that we have already discussed. Okay. And that we have already discussed in the previous classes. Okay. And motion, that motion we already discussed. It is basically the change of place or position. Okay. And if you want to describe the motion, you need this kind of thing, that is the start and the end positions, the moment relative to what, and हमें कहाँ तक पहुँचना है, हम किस डायरेक्शन में जाना है, ये हमें मालूम होना चाहिए. That defines the complete way of motion. Okay. So speed, as you know, that speed is like distance upon time. Okay. And this is the formula by which we have to calculate the speed. And Newton's second law is what? Coming to the Newton's second law, it is like the acceleration of an object that will be depends upon the mass of the object and the amount of the force of light. और ये जो accelerations यहाँ पे हैं, that will be also depends upon the velocity. Okay. And ये distance और direction दोनों पे depend करता है. और जो relation में मिलता है Newton's second law से, that will be the F equals to m, that is the mass into acceleration. और F equals to m में कहाँ से आता है, ये तो सबको पता है.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Newton's second law.
हाँ, नहीं, उसका कैसे उसको विजुअलाइज कर पा रहे हो विद एग्जांपल, आप लोग ये चीज क्लियर है सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक. So I'm just giving a short review because these things we have already studied in the previous classes. Okay, so हम लोग just इसको recapitulate कर रहे हैं, है ना? So this is the expression of the force using the second law of motion, that is F equals to ma. Now coming to the Newton's third law, okay, that is every action has its equal and opposite reactions. Okay. And this thing we have already discussed in the day-to-day life. Okay, these are the two examples when the two cars head-on, that will be the head-on collision will be happen to the two cars. The second is when we jump out of the box onto the dock. मतलब हम लोग बोट के ऊपर से अगर हम जंप करते हैं पानी में, तो क्या होता है, जो बोट है that should be the full backward side. Okay. And the third one is astronaut in space. ये सब तो आप लोग जनरल एग्जांपल आप लोग इसको जानते हैं. ठीक है. So these are the Newton third law. These are some examples. So one assignment is there. ठीक है. यहाँ पे जो questions आएंगे, ठीक है, आप लोग उसको कीजिएगा और मुझे मेरे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे सेंड कर दीजिएगा, ठीक है? तो ये मैं समझूंगा कि आप लोगों ने इसका रिव्यू आपने अच्छे से कर लिया। सो यू हैव टू आंसर व्हाट इज न्यूटन फर्स्ट लॉज ऑफ मोशन, हाउ डू वी कैलकुलेट स्पीड, what is inertia. You have to write these questions.
Sir,
सबने
repeat the
लिख ली है?
questions.
हाँ?
Sir, repeat the questions.
I think I'm just sharing. I have just shared the screen. The question is written on it. What is Newton's first
Sir,
law?
it is not visible.
The screen is not changing.
Visible, sir. Only first screen visible, sir.
It is not shared.
Sir, it is shared, but the pages are
No,
not
sir.
changing.
अच्छा, ये चेंज नहीं हो रहा है। अभी हो रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, ओके, तो ये बोलना था ना, मैं तो पेज आगे शिफ्ट करके पढ़ रहा था। क्या ये सब एक्चुअली जस्ट अ ब्रीफिंग। अभी दिख रहा है स्क्रीन, सब विजिबल है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here I have described that Newton has described the three laws of motion that is related to the force to motion, and a force is what that can cause the motion, okay, or which can resist the motion also. And I have described the three definition here: the friction, inertia, and mass. So this is clear to you? This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So first law, as you already know about this is also known as law of inertia, and it is what? When the body is at rest until and unless the external force is applying on it. Okay. And these are some examples that we have discussed. Motions that we have already discussed in the previous classes. Speed, as you know, that it will be the distance upon time. Okay. And the second law of motion, it is a definition of force. Okay, that will be F equals to mn. Okay. And coming to the Newton's third law, that is every action has its equal and opposite reactions. Three examples are given to you. Okay. And
So, third example, explain.
okay. This is the review. This is the some questions like you have to answer it and send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay. And the first question is like, what is Newton's first law of motion? The second is, how do we calculate speed? Third is like, what is inertia? Okay. Next question is, what is Newton's second laws of motion? Okay. And give some example of Newton's second law. What is the formula used for the Newton's second law? And next question is, what is Newton's third law of motion? What is an example of Newton's third law of motion? That will be not discussed in this lecture, this PPT. Okay. तो इसको आप एक्सप्लेन कीजिए और न्यूटन्स फर्स्ट सेकंड लॉ को आप एग्जांपल्स के रूप मतलब एग्जांपल से के थ्रू एक्सप्लेन कीजिएगा.
Sir, previous slide दिखाइए ना. Thank you, sir.
ठीक है. इसको आप अभी टाइम क्या हुआ 2:40, इसको आप 3:15 से पहले मेरे को सबमिट कर दीजिए, लिख के स्कैन करके उसका पीडीएफ बना के सेंड कीजिएगा, ठीक है। उसका पिक्चर करके मत भेजिएगा आप, उसको लिखिएगा कॉपी में, उसको फर्दर स्कैन कीजिएगा, पीडीएफ बनाइएगा, देन उस पीडीएफ को सेंड कीजिएगा, ठीक है, ताकि एक्चुअली उसको फिर ड्राफ्टिंग करने में आसानी होगा। इससे बेटर है कि आप लोग जस्ट आंसर लिखो, आंसर लिखने के बाद उसका स्कैन करो, स्कैन करके एक सिंगल पीडीएफ बनाओ, देन यू हैव टू सेंड थ्रू व्हाट्सएप। इज इट फाइन?
यस सर।
सर स्पीड वाला डेफिनेशन दिखाइए ना।
इसका डेफिनेशन
स्पीड वाला जो था ना,
स्पीड क्या है, डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम होगा ना, तो आप लोग कर चुके हैं, सब बताने की क्या जरूरत है, ठीक है।
यस सर।
ओके, तो टुमारो इज द ट्यूटोरियल क्लास। तो हम लोग जो भी डिस्कस किए हैं इस वीक, हम लोग कल उससे रिलेटेड न्यूमेरिकल्स को सॉल्व करेंगे, एंड आप लोग पढ़ के आइएगा, एंड दैट विल बी रिलेटेड टू द न्यूटन्स लॉज ऑफ मोशन, ठीक है। उसके अकॉर्डिंग जो भी न्यूमेरिकल्स है जो आपने आई थिंक प्रीवियस क्लासेस में ऑलरेडी इसको स्टडी किया है, तो उससे रिलेटेड जो भी न्यूमेरिकल्स आएंगे हम लोग उसको देखेंगे एक बार, ठीक है। तो एक बार आप लोग उसको पढ़ के आइएगा, देन we will discuss some numericals on it. ठीक है, एंड so is this clear to you?
यस सर।
So क्या नाम था, शिव नारायण कुमार। So you have
Yes,
to
sir.
you have to send like individual names. I think roll number is allotted to all
Yes,
of you.
I have written the roll number.
So better Shiv Narayan, you have only take the roll number of the student. No need to write a name.
Okay.
Everybody has assigned the roll number.
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
तो शिव नारायण कुमार, तुम सबका रोल नंबर नोट डाउन करके मुझे हर दिन रिपोर्ट करना, ठीक है।
Okay, sir.
ओके, सो ठीक है, हम स्नैप ले लेते हैं, स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेते हैं, बस सब अटेंडेंस के लिए कैमरा ऑन कर लीजिए एक बार सब। ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू फॉर योर प्रेजेंस। एंड नेक्स्ट क्लास के लिए आप लोग पढ़ के आइएगा रिलेटेड टू द वेरियस न्यूमेरिकल रिलेटेड टू द न्यूटन्स लॉ।